Today is Thanksgiving, and I found a Thanksgiving drink from one of my favorite distilleries, so we gotta make that, don't we? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today I'm gonna make a Thanksgiving old fashioned. I found this recipe online on Instagram with Drinks with Danica, so I will leave a link to hers below. So she said she went to Still Austin, tried this sweetest pie cocktail, and fell in love with it, and thought it'd be a perfect match for Thanksgiving. So I saw that, I said, Still Austin, Thanksgiving, perfect combination, so let's go ahead and make that. Of course, this will be made directly in the glass with a nice ice cube in it. And you're going to start off with 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. Next, we're going to be using sweet potato syrup. Takes a little bit of prep time. I made this morning, but I bet it's worth every ounce of it, or should I say 3/4 ounce of it. Next is the star of the show. Yep, Still Austin Barrel Strength. So it is November, so why wouldn't you use something that Nancy Fraley herself picked for November? I figured it's a win-win. Get to have some Cask strength bourbon in my drink, plus Nancy pick. Oh, always love that sound. We're using a full 2 ounces of this. Of course, next we're gonna stir until chilled. And last but not least, you're gonna garnish. We're gonna garnish it with some marshmallows, and then we're gonna flame that. I know I like mine extra toasty. All right, I'm very excited about this drink. You got Thanksgiving, Still Austin, Nancy, and toasted marshmallows on top. What more can you want? The sweetest pie cocktail. All right, fun part. Let's go for that cocktail. Cheers. Ooh. Ooh. It's interesting. There's a nice little spice in this as well. I like that. I like the evolution on this drink. Starts off a little bit sweet, then it gets a little bit spicy, and then you can taste that that sweet potato that you're using in the recipe. I'm gonna go and take a bite of this and take another sip. Let's go for that. Adds an extra layer to it. That it's like you're having that sweet, potato pie with the marshmallows on top. That little crunch, little burnt crunchiness on the top. So you get that sweetness from the bourbon. You get a little spice in there. Then you kind of get a little bit of that potato. But the whole time, over the whole thing, you get the nice little toasted marshmallow. Excellent, excellent drink. Well, my friends, hopefully you get to try this for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Cheers.